All right, so another product review, and I came around this product. I was looking for a CD slot car mount for the phone, so where you can just insert it in your CD slot and have your phone there so you can use your navigation, or if you want to listen to music, whatever your course may be. So I was trying to look for something which is durable, has good reviews, and yet affordable. So after doing my thorough research in Amazon.com and looking at some places here and there, I came along these two products. Now both of these had a very solid reviews, had good ratings, seems durable, and they both were in the price range that I was looking for, so they both were affordable. And the reason I got two of them, because they are both for two different applications. Now they both are for CD slot, okay? They both have CD slot, but the other end is different. So this one has a magnetic end where you have a phone cover, a case that has a kickstand with a magnet on it, or just a magnet. Then you can put in this one. You can just stick it with the magnet, or you can put a magnet strip in your case. You can stick it there and you can stick it too. This one, you don't need a magnetic case, or you don't need to stick magnet in your case. This one you can just put your phone right there. So both are different applications, but same thing, CD car mount, slot mount. So it's just a personal option that what you prefer, which route you want to go. And I wanted both because I wanted to use them both, because I have the case that has the kickstand, ring kickstand with a magnet, and then I also have a case which doesn't have that capability, and I do not want to stick sticker in there for magnet. I just want to use it the way it is, so that's what I'm going to use this one for. Now like I said, they both were affordable, they both had good reviews, and they both seems durable. So this one is from RAX, I believe, RAX Fly, CD slot player car phone holder. I'm gonna put the link in the bottom where exactly this is in Amazon, what item and where is it located. And looks like here is, we have a model number or something right here. This is the model number right there, okay. And this other one is by Vixcare, and I believe this is the number for this one. Okay, so let's open both of these up and let's see how it looks inside. All right, so it comes with three pieces. All right, so you have your CD slot pushed in thing right here, and then you just push this in, stick it in your CD slot, let it go, and it stays there. And then this is the phone holder, and the reason I like this one also because it has a button there. So basically you can just press the button and it opens up, and you can just set your phone in there, and it takes various types of phone, push it in so your phone stays there depending on the size, and when you want to take it off again, just press the button. So there are a couple of ones which has this thing but doesn't have buttons, so when you it goes back and forth, your finger gets pinched sometimes, and I wanted that. I want the one with the button. So this actually has the button. All right, and then basically this ring, so just put the ring over here like this part, just push it in. Okay, tighten up with the ring. Has a 360-degree rotation. Stick your phone there, put it in the CD slot, and there you go. And there in the link, the bottom that I'm going to place where they sell this product, they have a bunch of videos that they're putting this in their actual cars. And now let's look at the other one. So now this is the second one. So this one is like they got buttons on the side, so you just push it, stick it into your CD slot, let it go, it stays there. And same they've got same deal over here, got a ring over here, and same here, you just push it in. This is a magnet versus a phone holder, and again you tighten this up, and it also rotates 360. You can leave it anywhere, tighten it up, phone sticks in here. So RAX Fly, Vicks Gear, both were good in durability factor, reviews were good, and it seems both affordable.